Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're addressing an exciting topic that's near and dear to many of us: cleaning tips for people with allergies. If you suffer from allergies, you know how important it is to maintain a clean and allergen-free environment. Join me as we explore some simple yet effective cleaning tips to help you breathe easier and enjoy a healthier home. Tip 1. Dust regularly. First things first, dusting regularly is essential for allergy sufferers. Dust mites are a common allergen that can trigger symptoms like sneezing, coughing, and itching. To reduce dust buildup, dust surfaces in your home at least once a week using a damp cloth or microfiber duster. Be sure to pay attention to often overlooked areas like ceiling fans, baseboards, and window sills. Tip 2. Vacuum frequently. In addition to dusting, vacuuming frequently is crucial for keeping allergens at bay. Use a vacuum cleaner equipped with a HEPA filter to effectively capture and trap dust, pet dander, and other allergens. Vacuum carpets, rugs, and upholstery at least once or twice a week. Paying extra attention to high-traffic areas and areas where pets spend time. Tip 3. Wash bedding regularly. Your bedding can harbor allergens like dust mites and pet dander. So it's essential to wash your sheets, pillowcases, and blankets regularly. Wash bedding in hot water at least 1-3-0 once a week to kill dust mites and remove allergens. Tip 4. Keep pets groomed. If you have pets, keeping them groomed is essential for reducing allergens in your home. Brush your pets regularly to remove loose fur and dander, and bathe them as needed to keep their coats clean. Additionally, consider designating certain areas of your home as pet-free zones to minimize allergen exposure. Tip 5. Control indoor humidity. High humidity levels can promote mold growth, a common allergen that can exacerbate allergy symptoms. Use a dehumidifier to maintain indoor humidity levels between 30% and 50%, especially in areas prone to moisture buildup like bathrooms and basements. Additionally, fix any leaks or water damage promptly to prevent mold growth. And there you have it, cleaning tips for people with allergies to help you create a cleaner and healthier home environment. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cleaning tips from Olympia Cleaning Services. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning!